Welcome to Hooray Vocabulary Practice. Today's topic is technology. The first word is digitize, which is a verb and it means to convert pictures or sound into a digital form. For example, the singer digitized his songs. The next word is application, which means a software program that runs on your computer. For example, we are trying to sell our software application. The following word is data, which means facts and statistics collected together for reference and analysis. For example, data is transmitted via a modem link to the central office. The next word is access, which is a verb and it means to obtain or retrieve a computer data or a file. For example, the software enables you to access the internet in seconds. And finally, the word is upload, which is a verb and it means to transfer data from one computer to another, typically to one that is larger or remote from the user or functioning as a server. For example, I want to upload data to the computer network storage from my office computer. Thank you. Stay tuned in for more.